travelers of the unknown, gather close as I weave for you a tale etched in the very fabric of this mystical land, a story of redemption and a profound life lesson. In a time forgotten, when magical creatures roamed freely, there existed a majestic phoenix, a creature of fiery plumage and untold power. This is the tale of the phoenix and its journey of transformation. The phoenix, once a creature of fierce pride, found itself entangled in the webs of its own pride and arrogance. The echoes of its past actions cast shadows on its wings. In a pivotal moment, the phoenix chose the path of redemption. It realized that true strength lay not only in its fiery wings but in the courage to confront its own flaws and seek a new purpose. Through trials and tribulations, the phoenix discovered that redemption requires sacrifice and humility. It had to acknowledge the consequences of its actions and embark on a quest to make amends. In extending mercy to others, the phoenix found a strength greater than any magical power. Redemption, it learned, is a journey of transformation, one that requires the courage to change, to forgive, and to forge a new path. Travelers, remember this. Life is a tapestry woven with choices. Choose the path of redemption, for it is never too late to change, to grow, and to make amends for the shadows of the past. In the enchanted tapestry of existence, the power to shape your destiny lies within. Embrace redemption, face your flaws, and forge a legacy that transcends the echoes of the past.